All right. In order to have slope-intercept form of a line, what two pieces of information do we need? We need slope, okay, and we need the y-intercept. Okay, so we can get both of those things from a graph, right? Okay, how am I going to be able to find my slope? Rise over run. So let's make our triangle. Let's do it like this. What's my rise? 5. What's my run? 2. So my slope is 5 over 2, because rise over run. Okay, and then my y-intercept, where does it cross the y-axis? At 1. So now do I have the two pieces of information I need? Yes or no? Yes. Y equals 5/2 x plus 1. Okay. On this one, what is my slope? Zero. My y-intercept, where does it cross the y-axis? Come on, guys, participate. At 3, yep. Yep, we go up 1, 2, 3. That's where it crosses. Huh? Well, that's dumb. Let's go by this one. Sorry. Okay, and so what's my slope of this one? Or not my slope, but my equation. Y equals 3. Because we don't put 0x. Okay, if it's 0, we just leave it. Okay. Use that graph that you have there. We're just not going to use those points. So, all right, so if I have this line, okay, I have it going through the point 3, 0, and through the point 0, negative 4. So plot those 2 points and draw your line just in that graph right there that's on your paper. We're just not using those 2 points that they have there. Okay, so we need to find our slope. What's my rise? 4. What's my run? Okay, so my slope is 4/3. My y-intercept is negative 4. Yep, it's where does it cross the y-axis. So my equation is 4/3 x minus 4, yep. Okay, so this one I'm going to go through negative 8 on the x-axis and negative 6 on the y-axis. What? Okay, well, I'll extend it then a little bit. Not going to kill you. No. Negative 6. Negative 8 and negative 6. Okay, so what's my rise? Six. What's my run? 8. So my slope is, okay, which is, what? 3/4. Now we got to look at it. Is it positive or negative? It's negative. It's going downhill. So my slope is negative 3/4. Where does it cross my y-axis? Negative 6. That's my b. So I have my m and my b. So my y equals negative 3/4 x minus 6. Okay, I think this is the hardest part, to be perfectly honest. Trying to, because you got to find your rise over your run, and you got to find where it crosses your y-axis, and put all that together. Okay, so if we look at these equations, okay, y equals x plus 3. What is my m? Is 1. So my slope is 1, right? Okay, what is my y-intercept? 3. Okay, this is always, if I'm going to graph it, this is my starting point. Okay, so on the y-axis, I go to 3. 1, 2, 3. That's my starting point. And if my slope is 1, what does that mean to do? Go up 1 over 1, yep. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, draw your line. Okay, so our starting point was 3, so we started at 3, and since our slope is 1, and so this means to go up 1 and over 1. So from 3, I go up 1 and over 1, and I make another point, and then from that point, I go up 1 and over 1, and make a point. Because you need 3 points, because I'm requiring 3 points to draw a line. So 1, 2, 3. Huh? You can do more, yep, but you need at least 3. Okay, so in this next one, what's my starting point? Negative 1 is my starting point, so I start at negative 1. My slope is what? 4. My slope is 4, so what does that mean to do? Up 4 over 1. Anytime it's a whole number, it means just over 1. Okay, so we go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Okay, and then from that point, we're going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. And then I can draw my line. You could, but you got to go to the left. Yep. Okay, so this one, what's my slope? My slope is negative 1. Okay, what's my starting point? My starting point is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, so it means to go down 1, and we're always going to the right. So down 1 over 1, down 1, over 1. Okay, you have to connect your points and make a line. Okay, some of us are just putting points on our paper. Okay, the whole point is that we have a line. No, that's it. Because all they're asking us to do is graph it. And so that's what we're doing, is graphing it. Okay, so what's my starting point? 1. I start at 1. And what's my slope? My slope is 1, so that means I do what? Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Once I have 3 points, I can draw my line. Okay, let's jump to this one over here. What is my starting point? 0, good. So we start at 0. And then what's my slope? Yep, so my slope is 3, so that means I go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. Okay, one more and then I'll let you work. Let's look at, it's not even up here. Shoot. Okay, let's change this one right here, the middle one, to 2x plus y equals 3. Change it to 2x plus y equals 3. Now, in order to graph this, yeah, I got to get y by itself. Okay, so what's on the same side as my y? The 2x. How am I going to move a 2x? No, how am I going to move the whole 2x? I'm going to subtract 2x because it's not hooked on. No, somebody said divide by 2. Okay, so that goes away, and what do I have? No, what do I have? Y equals? Yeah, and this is why I made you guys write it with x first. Y equals negative 2x plus 3. So, what's my starting point? 3. What's my slope? My slope is what? No, what's my slope? No, negative 2. So that means to do what? Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Anytime it's a whole number, it's just over 1.